I'm now on the last hand of section 2468. And on this last hand, there's a C. That tells me that it is a concealed hand. So what that means is I cannot pick up a discard and expose part of my hand. The only time I can expose my hand is when I am picking up that 14th tile. I pick it up and I'm like, yes, Mahjong, and I get all excited. And I can then expose all of my hand. But because it's a concealed hand, I cannot expose it before then. Because usually when you pick up a discard from someone, you have to expose that part of the hand. You cannot do that in here. At the very last, you're ready, you've got 14, you're waiting on that 14th tile, somebody discards it. At that point, you can pick up their discard. You can say call, you can pick up their discard, and you can put it wherever it fits, and you say Mahjong. Then you can put them out at that time and expose the entire hand, but not before then. All right, so in this hand, we have a pair of twos, a pair of fours, a pair of sixes, and a pair of eights, all in one color. So that means they all have to be the same suit. Then I have a pong of twos, and then a pong of another set of twos. Notice that these are different colors, so they have to be in different suits. So I'm using all three suits in this hand. So down here in the parentheses, it tells me any three suits. Yes, I was able to tell that from the three different colors. And then it says like pungs, any even numbers. So that means these right here, my like pungs, can also be fours, sixes, and eights as long as they're matching. So they do have to, if I'm going to use fours, both sets of pungs have to be fours in opposite suits. All right, so here's an example of it. If I had no jokers, so I've got my twos, fours, sixes, and eights, and those are in dots. Okay, so they're all matching. And then this one is a set of, or a pung of twos in cracks. And then my third suit, which is my BAMs, I have a pung of twos again. Now I could also, if I had extra fours, I had several fours, I would be able to do this hand as well, and instead have those in fours. As long as they're matching, I can switch that out. I could also do it in sixes, and I can also do it in eights. If I had cracks